bouncing in the hotel.
Hey, YouTube.
Hi.
We finna go out this bit. We finna tackle the city head first onto my suicide diving. Ain't no way that you ain't gonna hit this shit, and this shit ain't gonna hit the net. So you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna keep you guys informed what we got going on. What's up, brother?
How are you, man?
All right.
Good.
They put up bitch that what the fuck? We did it before. Well, bitch, you did that. Alright, so y'all already know how I come to TSA. So, you know what I mean? Put us to the front of the line, you know what I mean? I'm finna hit the elevator and shit. Look at her taking care of her. Take care. Excuse us. Alright, we in the plane. And we're some of the first people to get in. I'm catching shit on camera and I'm calling out as soon as I see it, but hold on. Let me see if I can catch this on camera. I'm gonna turn it around. Look at this boy head right here in front of Joe. Hold on. That boy has so goddamn black. I'm talking about, he did the whole head in Beijing. The entire head. There's nothing but fiber. I'm finna get up close on it. Hold on. I'm finna get up close on that. I told you I was. I told you I was, Shadow. That's ridiculous. Alright, y'all know what store this is. Y'all already know what the time it is. What we finna drink?
I like that brand.
You mind being on camera? It's cool. It's cool.
So this is Michael Jordan's brand.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just give me this one.
I like it a lot better than 1942. A lot of people hype it up. It's mass produced, but I think he did a great job with this one.
Gotcha. So this is Michael Jordan's liquor. Cool. I'm gonna rock out with it.
Okay. I'm gonna set it down for you.
Gotcha.
What else are we looking for?
That's it. Oh, nothing else. And black truck us again. One more time.
Black truck.
Thank you so much. Ooh. Lyft driver having that shit on, you know what I mean?
En Las Vegas.
Yeah. In Las Vegas. Yeah.
Well, you know what else is going on right now, too? You know what else going on right now, too?
That's why I stayed at the first time I came right there with the castle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know what else going on, too?
What?
The Evo and that Call of Duty live event. Them CDL teams and shit. That shit was just right there. Like Atlanta FaZe and New York Cloud and all that shit. Boys up there playing video games, getting paid. I wonder what the traffic like down there. I thought your bowling shit right there. Stand up.
Go ahead. outside at the casino. You know what I mean? Still at it, up and at it, man. I'm gonna put this video together tonight. I'm gonna throw this thing right here on the net. Win, lose, draw, whatever it is. And you ain't gonna draw in no casino, but you can break even. Look at him. A gambler with an addiction at work. Look at him. He taps the button so vigorously. As he smokes the Black and Mild, he taps the button so vigorously, trying to get that quick hit.
Me too. What I'm talking about, I
Look at the cash out there. 65. I said 91.
Now watch this, watch this, watch this. Nice. He good. Jump medium. I might hit. Good hit. You see now, you see. Alright, so check it out. Check it out, right? Check it out. Boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, he on to something.
Boom. Watch this. Good. Good, nigga. 6. 76. You know what I'm talking about? Stop. Drop. And roll, nigga. Keep doubling up. Get some money, nigga.
Him right here. He just stood right here, ate his booger like 3 times. Right here. In public. I caught him. It's my real nasty. Nasty bite. So we're doing our Vegas trip or whatever, and so with how the weather has been, a lot of folks done had canceled flights and stuff, so all our people couldn't make it out, but for today. Some of them are still flying out, they'll be pulling up tomorrow and the day after and stuff like that, but man, we out here, we outside. We enjoying ourselves, we done went to the casino, we done won money, we done been going up all day long, and it's just day one. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned. I'll be uploading a video tonight. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And hey, look, all trucked up bando uncut.